Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be part 2 of what I'm going to be doing with the motorcycle. I have fuel filters, I can show you right here, that I will be replacing. Here's the old one, here's the new one. Not sure when the last time it was replaced, but it definitely needed to be replaced just by the discoloration and how crusty it is. I'm also going to do the exhaust. I was able to find the 2-to-1 Vance Hines pipes that I've been looking for a very long time. I actually found them through another YouTuber slash online store. I guess what I mean by that is TJ Bruto Customs does a lot of custom stuff for Honda motorcycles. I should say Honda Shadows. And he had a YouTube video where he was starting a project with one of these almost exactly. It was the exact same bike that came with a 2-to-1, and he makes custom exhaust for it, but not 2-to-1 exhaust. He makes the single outputs. So I reached out to him and asked if he had the 2-to-1 available still, if he'd be willing to sell it or make a new one for me. And he had the old one available that came on the bike, and he was able to sell me the old 2-to-1 from Vance Hines and get them shipped to me within about a week. So I'm pretty excited about that. They were very difficult to find. So we're going to be doing that today. And eventually what I will be doing is the coolant flush and getting that swapped over to the blue coolant from the green coolant that Honda makes. And I have to change the, there's a tube that joins the 2 cylinder heads together for coolant. There's 2 seals on there, or O-rings I should say, that have to be replaced. They are starting to weep a little bit, and I don't want to risk that failing 100%. And I don't know if it would on the trip that we're going to take from Wisconsin all the way to Tail of the Dragon in that area, Smoky Mountain area. So stay tuned, and yeah. Much better improvement. Much better. Well, my first impression is it sounds really cool. I'm really happy with the results so far, and I'm really grateful that I was able to find this exhaust. It definitely makes the bike feel alive and awake and just sound more aggressive. Definitely doesn't sound like a Harley, and that wasn't my intention. But I really like the way the bike feels so far with the tires, the new Michelin tires, and the new exhaust. I feel like it has like a little bit more back pressure that it wants to just run a little bit smoother without much adjustment on the carbs right off the bat. What I'd like to do is take the baffle out, check the fiberglass packing, and maybe either add packing or replace it and see if I can get the bike just a little bit quieter.